Time. It waits for no man. True, our story was probably best written years ago. Ours is a have-it-now world of fast talk and fast furniture. Some assembly required now just means cheap, temporary. We believe in surrounding ourselves with fewer but better things that show evidence of the human hand, to design portable, adaptable furniture that moves easily and honors carpentry and craftsmanship. It's DIY furniture without the nuts and bolts. Our new line of furniture is made from real wood, grown in the real ground, joined together with your own two hands, without relying on expensive tools or hardened steel. It's traditional craftsmanship packed flat in a box. We hope you'll support us.